he, interestingly enough, his camera, it stood out, and I was like, what's going on? And it had all this checkerboard on it. And I realized from seeing that before on some of the different Facebook forums that it was like the beta version or something. They blocked out
of the Matterport Pro 3 camera. So
yeah.
I guess what I'm wondering is every shoot for Matterport Digital Pro service done with a Matterport Pro 3 camera, or did it just happen that the photographer that came out used the Matterport Pro 3 and pulled the images, still images from the tour? Or is it possible that someone else gets a Matterport Pro 2 photographer and images are pulled out of the Matterport Pro 2, and then I'm not sure what would happen with outdoor. I suppose they could still do the 360 views outdoors and do the outdoor shots. So I think that's unclear. I mean, the good news is your listing was shot with a Matterport Pro 3 camera beta.
Yeah. And I don't know that there's any difference between beta and a regular Pro 3 production.
Okay. But so then how soon until you got back, or how did the shoot go? And then when did you start getting assets back?
So the shoot, I sat in the car, he went in, did his thing, came out an hour later, and he said he was done. He said he would upload it on his way home. And he said I should get an email when it's complete. Now on their website, or somewhere I read, the following business day after your shoot, you'll receive an order complete email with a link to preview your photographs using our on-demand review and delivery system.
I'm confused because the Matterport's been promoting, I want to say 1 to 2 day delivery, and I'm thinking that's 1 to 2 day delivery from the time that the shoot occurred.
It's not clear. I'm looking at a PDF from VHT that says, the following business day. Now, is it here? It says the following business day. Is your 1 to 2 days, 1 to 2 days, or 1 to 2 business days? Either way, I didn't get an email until the shoot was on the 21st. I didn't get an email till the 24th at 1:30 p.m.
Whoa. I can't do dates.
Okay.
So the shoot was 10 a.m. on a Tuesday, and then
on Friday at 1:30 p.m. I got an email saying my order was complete.
Now, how can that possibly be? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days?
Yeah. Now, I did lock my account out. And so the day before, I was trying to go in and check status on it. Once they unlocked my account, I logged in and I did see that I had deliverables there, but I didn't get that order that order complete email until.
Okay, so 4 days later, it's possible that the digital assets were available within 24 hours or within 48 hours within the VHT Studios content management system, but you hadn't logged in, so we're a little bit fuzzy on exactly when those digital assets were available.
Yeah, but I'm going off of just your orders complete email, which was, 1:30
4 days later.
Friday. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So anything else on the timeline to talk about? I want to say you received this email within you went to the content management system and there were links to download all the digital assets, get the link. Was for Matterport, was it a branded and unbranded version?
They have only the branded version of the 3D tour link.
And branded version in this case, there really wasn't any agent info and there wasn't any. So it's a good question. Are you able to edit the Matterport tour?
No. Nope.
Were you able to tell them, this is what I want for the real estate agent name info to be in the tour? No, there's no option to do any of that.
Not at least without emailing them. I'm sure I could email them and say, hey, can you correct this title or change this? And they would, but they did provide me with a branded link and an MLS link to their version of a property website, which has the photos, the 3D tour, floor plans.
Oh, okay. So this is important. So there is a deliverable of a single property website that includes Matterport, the photos, the teaser video, and the floor plans.
There is.
And you could use
Um,
that in MLS, both branded and you had a branded and unbranded version.
Yes, but their unbranded version of their property website includes the branded version of the 3D tour.
The unbranded includes the branded version of the tour.
Meaning if you're on their property website looking at their unbranded property website, which is MLS compliant, and you click on a 3D tour link, you'll get the branded version of that 3D tour.
Okay, could you add that link to the forum post, WGN forum post, so we can see that too? Okay,
Yep.
so I want to switch gears, unless there was something else you wanted to talk about on timeline.
No,